Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today we are going to make quinoa. We'll just need some quinoa and water. Add 1 cup of quinoa to a fine mesh strainer. Thoroughly rinse the quinoa with cold water until all the powdery residue is removed and drain well. Add the 1 cup of rinsed quinoa to 2 cups boiling water. Allow it to return to a boil. Cover and then reduce to a simmer. Cook until the grain is translucent and the germ has spiraled out from each grain. This is definitely something to learn to make, and we will be adding this to our repertoire. So quinoa is low in fat and contains protein, iron, potassium, calcium, fiber, magnesium, manganese, folate, zinc, and more. Quinoa is a seed that is prepared and eaten like a grain. So when you're thinking of ideas on how to eat this or incorporate it, think of it how you would use other grains. Here I'm just using the quinoa as a base. I'm adding broccoli on top and pouring my homemade vegan dairy-free cheese sauce on top. I've made a video on how to make the cheese sauce. I'll link that down below if you're interested. Enjoy!